What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a completely untapped method to literally get millions of targeted visitors to your Shopify store completely for free. Now I literally cannot believe that more dropshippers aren't implementing what I'm about to teach you throughout this video. And it's a super easy method to implement, and you can literally be making $500 or more per day passively through your Shopify store with dropshipping products from AliExpress. And now it's a super easy method. So what to expect in this video. So firstly, I'm going to show you exactly how this process works and why it's a super untapped method or traffic source for your Shopify store. Then I'm going to show you why there's absolutely zero marketing skills or any skills required to succeed with this method. I know it sounds too good to be true, but genuinely you don't even have to literally do anything. You don't need to create any video ads, image ads, or anything like that. You literally just have to follow these steps that I'm going to outline in this video, and you can be earning passive income through your Shopify store on complete autopilot. And I'm also going to show you why there's zero money required. So you don't need any money on ad spend. There's no Facebook ads, there's no Google ads, no YouTube ads, no email list required, no Instagram influencers, nothing like that. You won't have to spend a penny on paid ads. So it doesn't matter if you've got no marketing experience at all. This method can work for anyone as long as you take action and implement what I'm about to teach you throughout this video. And I'm also going to show you how you can easily implement it. So I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to take today so you can actually get started right away. And then finally, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the one secret to really make this work and to really make as much money as possible with this method. So if you really want to make the most out of this opportunity, then I advise to stay to the end and implement what I'm about to teach you at the end of this video. So how does this method work? Now, it doesn't matter if you've got a one product store, a general store, a niche store. This method works regardless of the type of Shopify store that you have. So let's say that you have a product within the cat niche. So for example, this cat backpack here. Now I've seen this go quite viral a lot on Facebook. So it's a definite winning product out there. Now what you want to do is then go and find YouTube channels relating to this niche, so relating to the cat niche. There's an example of a channel here called Tiger Productions. It's predominantly about pets and cats and stuff like that, videos about this that go viral. And as you can see, they've got 3 million subscribers. Now, the amazing thing that I noticed about this channel is that some of their videos were getting 30 million views. However, when I looked at the description of the video, they weren't monetizing their channel at all. There was no affiliate links, no websites linking to any products, no Amazon affiliate links or anything like that. It's clear that these do not know how to monetize their channels. Now, there's literally loads of channels like this that are getting millions of views. However, they're not monetizing their channels as good as they could be. So this is where we come in as dropshippers, and what we want to do is partner with channels like this. So essentially what you'll be doing is having an affiliate program on your Shopify store and essentially getting millions of free visitors to your store on complete autopilot. So now I'm going to show you some examples of some videos within this niche that are going viral, and you'll see that there's literally loads of them. And I'm also going to show you how to actually get in contact with channels like this, because it's not a case of just sending a little message and then they just partner with you like that. What I'm going to show you is an exact script that you can send to them and actually how to contact them the best way possible so they actually reply and they may end up partnering with you. And you only actually need one partnership with a channel like this to really make at least like $500 to $1,000 per day in profit due to the sheer volume of traffic that they will bring to your store. Okay, so what you want to do is head over to YouTube and just type in whatever niche you're in. So in this case here, I've typed in cat video, and as you can see, there's loads of viral videos related to cats, and they're like funny type of videos, the ones which get loads and loads of views. So let's take this video here as an example here. And as you can see, it's just a very simple, like funny type cat video. And as you can see, it's got 27 million views. However, if we go down to the description here, you'll notice there is 0 affiliate links. There's no attempt to even monetize this video. And if we just check out this link here, it's just a broken Facebook link. So they're really not making the most out of this video at all. So this is where we can come along and add our affiliate link to our store selling cat related products, because all the viewers here are probably cat owners, people who love cats and are passionate about cats, the sort of people who are going to want to buy your cat products on your store. Now, before I go ahead and actually show you how to implement an affiliate program and also the little secret that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, what I'm going to do is just do some numbers so you can work out the type of traffic volume you could expect if you got a partnership with a channel like this. So for example, on my channel, I get a few thousand views per video, and normally per 1,000 views, it yields about 20 visits to my website for my online course. So therefore you could assume around about a 2% click-through rate if your link is at the top of the description here for the video. So in this instance, for a video that's got 27 million views, we'll just do a bit of maths and apply the same metrics to this video here. So 0.02 is the 2% click-through rate times by 27 million views. So 27 million equals 540,000 visits to your store completely for free. Now the beauty of YouTube videos is they're not like Instagram shoutouts where after 24 hours all your traffic just dies out. YouTube videos actually go viral and consistently bring in views and clicks to your site for years to come. Like on Instagram, they just die out after 24 hours. However, YouTube, you can just get consistent traffic and sales to your store with the right partnerships. So let's say you're getting 540,000 visits. Let's be really conservative here and say that you've got an awful website and you only get a 1% conversion rate. So we'll do the 540,000 times 0.01 times 0.01 equals 5,400 sales just by putting your link in just one of these videos. Let's say you're selling a really cheap product and you have a really bad average order value of just $25. So we'll times this by 25 here, and that yields $135,000 in revenue just by putting your link here in this video. Now obviously you won't get all this because you need to give a percentage to this channel here, so you'd want to give them around about 35%. So we'll times this by 0.35 and you can see what kind of money this channel would be earning just from one video by having your link there. And as you can see, it's $47,000. So imagine this across multiple videos across different channels. You could literally be bringing in a hell of a lot of money per day just by having your links there on their videos. Now what I'm also going to show you is a little YouTube hack where your affiliate link will automatically get added to all of their videos. So once you've partnered with them, you can get them to do this little YouTube hack where your affiliate link magically appears in every description, so they don't have to even do anything once they've implemented this one little thing that I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, so once you've decided what channels you're going to message based on the niche or products that you're going to sell on your store, what you want to do is send them this message here. So something like this, so like, hey, I love your content about cats, and then put I'm Alex, the CEO, and then put your store name, and then put something like, we're a company that specializes in the coolest cat products, and we know your audience would love our unique products, and we can help you earn big commissions on the sale of our products. All you have to do is place our affiliate link in the descriptions of your videos and start earning money right away. 35% commissions on all sales generated. Now this 35% here is much more than like Amazon. Amazon's only about 10%. So by putting this 35% here, it's going to get them excited because it's much more than traditional retail affiliate commissions, because obviously their margins are lower. They can't afford to offer high commissions. And then you put like, we take care of everything else, the customer support, shipping, refunds, sourcing new products. There's no work involved for you at all. Please let us know if you're interested and we'll get you started right away. So send them something like this, and you want to send this to quite a few different channels because obviously not all of them are going to reply. And the best way to send them a message is to go direct through YouTube. So you want to click on their channel here. So for instance, Tiger Productions. And then you want to go to About Us here, and there should be like an email or contact email. So as you can see here, there's an email for like contacting about promotions and stuff like that. Look for emails like this and then send them that template that I've just outlined there, and obviously make it specific to your store and your niche. And then once you've negotiated an affiliate commission with a partner on YouTube, so you've got them to partner with you, now what you want to do is tell them to go to their settings on their channel. So their settings down here on the back end of their channel. Then what you want to do is tell them to go to their upload default and add in your affiliate link to their product description here. So every video that they then create moving forward, your affiliate link will automatically be in their video description, so there's no additional work. So once that partnership's formed, there's zero work for them involved, and your affiliate link will automatically always be there, and they'll get recurring commissions on autopilot, and so will you. You'll generate lots more revenue for your store. Now, with regards to actually installing the affiliate program onto your Shopify store so you can easily create links for the YouTube channels that you partner up with, what you want to do is just head over to the App Store and just type in affiliate program. And what there'll be is literally loads of apps that you can just install and then essentially create an affiliate program on your store. Personally, I use this one here, Reversion. However, it is quite expensive, and there are some free ones. There's much cheaper ones as well, ones with like 30-day free trials. So you just want to find out what's best for you and best for your store. Now, I'm not going to go into the details of installing it or anything like that because it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you've installed the app, there'll be instructions, and you essentially just create specific affiliate links for your partners based on different products. So it's pretty easy and quick to implement an affiliate program to your Shopify store. Okay, so finally, and to really make the most out of this opportunity and really make as much money as possible with the methods that I've outlined in this video, what you want to be doing ideally is retargeting all that extra traffic that you're getting to your store. So once you've placed your affiliate links, what you'll notice in your Shopify dashboard is you'll be getting loads and loads of traffic globally to your store completely on autopilot. So what you want to do is optimize all of this traffic properly and start retargeting them with ads so you can get them to buy, because not all customers are going to buy on the first time. So make use of all the extra new traffic flowing to your store. Retargeting ads are low budget and produce a really high return on ad spend, so you don't need to spend much money at all on retargeting ads to get customers to buy, because they're not cold traffic, so you don't have to spend loads and you can get a really high return on your ad spend. So as we talked about earlier, 540,000 visits from that one video, and that was being fairly conservative with click-through rates and everything like that. So of all these 540,000, most of them aren't going to buy on the first time, but because you've got these 540,000 visits on your pixel or view content for a specific product, then you can then retarget those customers via Facebook ads and get them to buy, get them into your funnel, get them into your brand and your store, and they'll end up buying from you at a later date. So this is a really good way to just ramp up everything and make as much money as possible. Now, obviously, this does involve a bit of work. It's not completely an autopilot. However, there are some apps that you can use. They're on the Shopify App Store to really make this as streamlined as possible. So one of them is Retarget app and the other one is Shoelace. And what these are is essentially apps which do all your retargeting for you completely on autopilot. So you don't really have to do anything. You just have to set your budget on what you want to spend via your Facebook ads, and these apps will automatically retarget your customers that flow into your store. And you can do it for any product page. You can target store visitors. You can target people who have added to cart, people who have initiated checkout. So these apps will essentially take care of your retargeting and automate all that for you. So definitely once you've implemented what I've talked about in this video, once you've got your affiliate links there and you've partnered with your YouTube channels, once you start to see your traffic volume grow massively, then you want to start to implement retargeting to your customers so you can really just clean up as many sales as possible, because remember that most customers just won't buy first time, and if you're not retargeting, they're probably going to forget about your store or your brand. So it's a great way to keep them in the loop, and eventually they'll buy at a later date from your store. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope you implement everything that I've talked about throughout this video. Remember to take action as quickly as possible, because if this video gets a lot of views, it may get saturated real quick. So take action as soon as possible for the best results possible. Now, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, and remember, if you've got any questions, then comment below, and if you're new here, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.